Greetings. This is the tutorial of how to set up MOI Pro TBS device with Xtream Code's software solution for IPTV. So basically we have here the MOI Pro interface, web interface. As you can see, we have the DVB last settings. All we have to do first, as first step, it's to set up a streaming part. The streaming part can be, for example, in this small example, it's released by DVB last with a cable tuner, and also we have here a satellite tuner. For satellite tuner we use as channels Fashion 4K. Also we will test the 4K streams. As for cable, we have used several cable channels from a cable provider. So basically we have here a bunch of channels from cable. Yeah, we're gonna enable, for example, Viasat Explore, and for example, we'll pick Viasat Explore. We will enable it, and we'll hit streaming and save. So the IP address is 239.255.0.1. We're gonna go to the Xtream Codes panel. We go to the manage streams. Of course, we have already here added some streams. So basically we will first of all we will edit one stream to see the format of the stream. So the format of the stream is like this. Okay, to add a new stream to Xtream Codes, it's very important. We can do it like this. From the left side of the screen, we pick add new stream, import one single stream. We give to the stream a name. For example, we picked here Viasat Explore. We're gonna put here Viasat Explore. Okay, the format of the stream is like this, but the IP is a little bit different. So the IP is 239.255.0.1. 239.255.0.1 2.1234. Yeah, we can set stream category. It's not very necessary. Of course, stream icon, but we don't. It's not necessary because this is a very basic method to how to handle the Xtream Codes panel. So I have added the link to the stream. The stream is already working. It's streaming, yeah, from the MOI. I added the stream here. I set as general stream. I have to make the load balancing settings. Basically, I will do like this: just one click on the main server IPTV panel, and will merge with the source. I can select here the transcoding options. For example, I have here custom transcoding options, or if I want, I can send without transcoding. If I select no transcode and add the new stream, the stream will be added without transcoding parameters. With transcoding, of course, the best transcoding profiles are, for example, for video, it's the H.264, yeah, this one. And for sound, it's AAC, Advanced Audio Coding, yeah, this. As speed, because the MOI Pro CPU is very small, it's a SoC, so it's not designed to make basically such a hard task as transcoding. I will set the ultra fast. I won't use profile, yeah, and I will select the bitrate. Bitrate, for example, if I want 1 megabyte for the raw stream, it's like around 4 megabytes. So I will select 1 megabyte of stream. Yeah, I'll put 1024, yeah, for 1 megabyte stream. For the bitrate, I can select 128 kilobyte per second, yeah. And this is it. At this point, I have the possibility to stream out this channel with 1 MB bandwidth. Of course, later I will make another tutorial regarding how do I select and how I set up the APG source. I will add now the stream. Yeah, the stream is added. If I go to the manage stream, I will show to you this is the stream which I added here. Yeah, I will of course hit play the stream. Yeah, it will take like several seconds to optimize, analyze and optimize the stream for transcoding. Yeah, and then after several seconds this will become green, which means that once it become green, obviously the stream is operational and it's working just fine. Let's see. Not yet. Meanwhile, while the stream it's of course optimized, I can add another stream. I will go and add a second stream. Yeah, let's see the second stream. I can select, for example, Viasat history, or I can select from another tuner. Look, I can select this one, Romania TV. We'll select it with enable only without UDP, and I will select streaming and save. At this point, for example, the channel for the IP for this specific channel is 239.255.1.1 2.1234. So I will go here, I will write down Romania TV for the channel. Yeah, I will use the format of the channel. It's 239.255.1.1, so 1.1.1.2.3.4. Okay, I will select a general stream, though it's not very important. Okay, I will pair the source with the panel here. Okay, I will select this one without transcode, and I will add the new stream. Okay, in the manage stream options, look, this one is already green. Yeah, so this stream is already available. The bitrate is a little bit variable, so it's 1.3 megabytes. Okay, and I will also play the second channel. Yeah, so I will remove the other channels which are not used at this point, because these channels, look, also the second one it's green. Yeah, let's remove the other channels which we are not using for this tutorial. Like this we can remove channels, and we'll proceed furthermore. Okay, furthermore, the next step it's to set up the bucket. To set up a bucket, I need to add here a new bouquet. I will give you this bouquet a name, for example, tutorial. Yeah, I will select the channels which I am streaming right now with control pressed. I can select both. I will add them to the bouquet, add the new bouquet. Now I have a new bouquet added. If I go, for example, to check here, manage bouquet, I will have two. The first one, which we remove the channels, and the second one, the tutorial one, which it's used for this specific training. Okay, now after the bouquet is set up and selected, I will go a little bit to the users. For example, I will register a new user, tutorial, yeah, tutorial user, with a password tutorial 123. This is a new user. I will assign a email address, it's necessary, and I will take this user to, for example, resellers, for example. Yeah, credits. If I want to give him credit, I register now right now a new user. Okay, for this user, for example, to be able to see as end user the channels, we need to create a new line. So when we create a new line, we have the possibility to add directly to that user, or we can create a specific user and simple end user. I will create a simple end user, and I will say end user with a password and end user, yeah, and user 123, and I will assign this for the tutorial. For example, yeah, I can force the user to connect to the main server, to the IPTV panel, or I can use not to connect. Of course, I have here the second very interesting options. If the end user is going to use the Xtream Codes APK and will make use of the Stalker portal, I can select directly Stalker portal, and will need to explain to him with a second tutorial how to set up the Xtream Codes APK in Android and how to add in the Stalker portal, but this we're gonna discuss it in the second part of the tutorial. So, as I said, we're gonna use this line. It's not gonna be a trial line. We're gonna manage to give this user direct IPTV link to be able to see. This is an end user. He has to see the channels. As I said, I create for this specific user, yeah, I will put without expiration of the date. I can manage it to put it on specific dates for billing and payment, or I can give him, for example, unlimited. Also, I can manage here to give him access to see the streams with one, maximum 10 different devices. But for example, for this one, I will allow one single device to be connected to these streams with user and password. Of course, as I said, I will select for this specific user the tutorial bouquet, which we made here, and I will create the new line. Yeah, the new line is created, user is added. Now, to provide the user, to end user, to provide the line, I can, and he needs to make sure and be able to see the channels. I go to the manage lines, yeah, and I will generate, of course, a M3U playlist with the channels which are running. The list is generated, as you can see here. I will copy this list and email it, send it by email, or just pure and simple paste it to a VLC media player unit or player. Look, like this. I think it's not forwarded the port. I'm gonna, okay, it's obviously it will give me errors. So I will go to the router and will forward the 8000 port for the panel, or pure and simple inside the router I will put in DMZ, where is the van? I will put in DMZ the 12 IP, yeah, which is the local IP for to make sure the ports are forwarded. Okay, this will restart a little bit the network, but at this moment I managed to forward the ports to be able to watch from external IP, from internet, to be able to watch the channels. As you saw here, when I added the channels, it's a internet IP address with port and all the stuff, with username and with password. Okay, I think the network is restarted almost, so a few more seconds. I will manage, as I said, to forward the ports over the internet and make this generated playlist to work over internet or even in local network. If I change, for example, here, instead of internet, I will put the local IP address of the MOI, yeah, 192.168.1.12, and I will play
Manapság már olyan különleges darabokat is piacra dobnak, amelyek egyesítik a különféle evőeszközök előnyeit, efféle hibridekre keveseknek van szüksége. De mi abból készíthetnek? Ebben a gyárban acélt használnak, amelyet króm és nikkel keverékével vonnak be. Ez garantálja a rozsdamentességet és eltünteti az acél amúgy fémes ízét. Ebben az állapotában a kanál leginkább egy lapátra hasonlít, de miután ovális alakúra vágják és belenyomják a horpadást, már nem kétséges a rendeltetése. Mindeközben a gyár másik részén villákat készítenek. A kanálhoz hasonlóan először a villa fejét is a megfelelő méretű.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.